Now, Fox 13 Chief Meteorologist Paul Delgado with your Sky Tower radar forecast.
You're a lot better tonight. A little breezy, but the winds have come the other way. Southwest at 9. USF Marine Science Cam to the bay now, not as choppy as it was earlier today. The winds will continue to subside. We had, obviously, some strong winds today. I think pretty much as expected that the whole forecast played out. Some of the stronger winds actually on our west coast, where the winds were northwest, kind of coming in off the open Gulf, so 68 miles an hour. Bel Air, 54 Tampa. Inland through Polk County, Hardy, DeSoto, and Highlands County wasn't as much wind. We talked last night about how we thought this I feature would kind of end up in the middle of the state, and it did, and it resulted in lower winds across our inland counties and stronger winds on the periphery. You know, we kind of went back and took a look at 2004, trying to do some comparisons. We found this. This is pretty interesting. 2004, of course, Charlie and Jean was a bad hurricane, Cat 3, that took about the same track as Nicole. These storms back then, 43 days apart. Let's go ahead. 2022, you get Ian and Nicole, the same track as Charlie and Jean, and 43 days apart. What's the science behind this? It's called a wacky coincidence. That's really about it. Don't forget, back in 2004, we also had Francis and Ivan in play. That was a crazy year. As far as what's left of Nicole, there isn't much. You can see the circulation up over the Panhandle, now moving into Georgia. It is still technically a named storm. It's a tropical depression. Should be off the map in about 12 to 18 hours. As I said, we had that area of light winds and kind of what's left of an eye right over the middle of the state this morning. So that's where the rain amounts were lowest, and around the periphery of that eye feature. Pretty good soaking this morning from Pasco through Pinellas. Isolated spots getting 4 or 5 inches of rain, generally 2 to 3. Here you go. Here's what's left with Nicole. It's a soaking rain in Atlanta, Columbia, Charlotte, with bands coming in from the Atlantic. And once in a while, these bands are producing an isolated tornado as they move northwest. Tropical depression Nicole now moving northwest at 15. Here you go. Goes up to Atlanta and then up to about Charlotte into Virginia, and it's gone by tomorrow evening. Back home we go. Winds have become south and southwest, and the winds have really diminished quite a bit, running about 10 to 15. So we say goodbye to Nicole and hopefully goodbye to the 2022 hurricane season. Fingers crossed on that. Tropics watch. Here's the Fox model showing heavy rain up over the Carolinas and a big wind event coming up in the northeast. Back home we go, and some of the outer bands kind of still spinning around from Nicole. We'll have a few bands around tonight, and then tomorrow it's all gone. Just kind of variably cloudy, maybe a passing shower. Saturday and Sunday look fine. There could be a weak cold front going by on Sunday, but overall it's a trend to nicer weather beginning tomorrow, and then more so over the weekend. More sunshine on Sunday. If you're looking for cooler weather, maybe a little bit of sun. We're talking Monday, highs in the 70s, and maybe next weekend we could do some 50s at night and some 70s for daytime highs. All right, here we go for the overnight. Maybe a passing shower and breezy. We're down to 70. Then for tomorrow, some sunshine, a passing shower, high temperatures near 80. And coming up on Saturday, a pretty good day. Mostly sunny and nice, a high up to 81. Weak cold front goes by on Sunday. Small rain chances. Weak cold front goes by on Wednesday. Small rain chances. Beside that, the 7-day looks pretty good. 70s and 80s for highs and 60s for lows.